Hi, I'm Laurel Guy, and today we're visiting 6079 Route 79. This is a Victorian in the hamlet of Mecklenburg, New York, home to artists and musicians. This home has had so many improvements made. A new roof, new electric, new septic, new well, new windows, and it's ready now for your finishing touches. The interior is a blank slate. Should you buy a house that's been gutted down to the studs? Short answer, yes. Inside, it's been cleared out and gutted down to the studs. The whole house has been rewired. All new windows have been installed with the idea of keeping the original character of the house and bringing it up to modern day standards. And now comes the fun part. You have a blank slate. It's a house of possibilities. Make a new energy efficient home just the way you want it. Mecklenburg is betwixt and between Ithaca and Watkins Glen, a hop skip to the Village of Trumansburg, home to musicians, artists, farmers, and bakers. The house is next to the old Mecklenburg Mill building, which a local architect is going to convert into artist studios. You're also near an old storefront, which will soon become the Mecklenburg Social Club, a little lunch counter, a little live music now and then. Become part of this creative culture. Renovate 6079 Route 79 in Mecklenburg, New York.